my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you kitchen Dollar Tree DIYs, and they're going to be like a modern farmhouse style that I really like for the kitchen. And the inspiration to make these DIYs was from Michael stores, from Pinterest, a few pictures that I saw, and I really want to recreate them but on a budget. So yeah, I'm gonna be using Dollar Tree items and I hope that you like it. If you do, you can give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and you are welcome to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Let's get started to this Dollar Tree DIY.
Okay guys, for the first project I'm going to be using 9 of these Dollar Tree wooden blocks, and you must stick them 3 by 3 all together with hot glue or wood glue. Then you must have to stick a wood block on each side of the rectangle to form the handles. This is not necessary, but guys, because I use hot glue, I'm going to reinforce the wood blocks with popsicle sticks in the back side just to prevent the blocks from coming off. Then I will use my Dremel just to be able to sand the edges of the whole rolling pin. So I think that way is going to look much better and more like realistic. And guys, you can get this Dremel in my Amazon store. So in the description box of the video, I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get it. You can paint your rolling pin in many colors and many ways, but I really like just to highlight the color and texture of the wood. So I will use my Waverly wax in antique color, and I'm going to give it a coat of paint and then let it dry very well. When it is dry, you can use a stencil, stickers, write by hand with a marker, or you can use your Cricut if you have. And I wrote roll with it, and I put a transfer paper on the decal, and then I put it on my rolling pin. And just to add a nice detail on one side of the rolling pin, I'm going to add a bow with this ribbon that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And guys, this will be the result of my mini rolling pin sign. It is extremely cheap to make, like maybe $1 too. And it is just perfect to add maybe like a tier tray for your kitchen. I have made several versions of rolling pins using Dollar Tree items, and I'm going to leave the links of those videos in the description box in case you want to see them and take more ideas. For my second project, I will use this wood plaque from Dollar Tree, or you can also get a similar one in Michael's for only $1 as well. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to paint it in white color with my Waverly chalk paint. To dry your piece faster, you can use a heat tool, and I love it. It is very compact and just work perfect. So the link of my Amazon store is going to be in the description box. Once it is dry, you should give it a second coat of paint and let it dry again, and you can use your heat tool to dry faster. From there, I will use black paint, and I will be painting the entire edges of the wooden plaque and creating like an enamel look. And I think that the easiest way is to paint it with a sponge, just because, I don't know, I think it looks better than using a brush. But that is a personal preference. Then I'm going to make a straight line with a ruler and a pencil, and from there you can use stickers, write it by hand, or use a stencil as I did to write the word kitchen. These stencils are from Walmart, I think, I'm not sure, but what I did was trace all the letter with a pencil first. From there, I will use a black marker and paint them and fill in the letters. And I think this is a great tip because sometimes it is much easier to do it with a marker than like acrylic paint. I think they look better with marker, but yeah, then you must erase all the pencil lines with a rubber. Then you must make 2 holes at the top of your sign with a drill. Once you have that part done, you can put this metal chain that you can get it in Dollar Tree, or maybe you can also put rope. It depends on how you like it more, to be able to put it to hang from the metal hanging plant bracket, also from Dollar Tree. Finally, you can put it on the wall with 2 nails, or maybe with command strips near to your kitchen. And I was inspired by photos that I saw on Pinterest, and you can make these same signs that says maybe rooms or bathrooms, and I think it looks super nice, and it is a way to decorate a wall or a hallway since it looks of a great quality. For our last project, you can use these wood beads garland this one is from Dollar General for only $1, but you can also do it yourself, and you can use Dollar Tree beads, and I just paint them in black color. And I'm going to do like 3 mini garlands, so you should put them in a jute cord and put the amount of beads that you want depending on the length you want for your garland. Then I will use this wooden nickel from Hobby Lobby, and you must make a small hole with your drill just to tie the jute cord that has the beads. Then you can write or put a sticker to identify each one of the garlands, and I use my Cricut, and in one of the garlands I wrote utensils, in the other one I wrote flour, and in the last one I wrote sugar. Now you can use a mason jar or any jar that you have at home with a lid, and I'm going to paint them with my semi-gloss white spray paint only on the outside, because if paint falls inside the jar, you cannot put food inside. And I'm also going to use another glass jar that I had from Dollar Tree. This is a bigger one and has no lid, and I'm going to paint it in the same way. Once they are dry, I'm going to put a bead on the jar's lid with hot glue, and after I heat the beads on the lid of the jars, I decide that I want them in black color. So yeah, I just remove the bead and then paint it in black color and then put it back. Finally, you must make a knot in your garland just to be able to hang it from the top of each glass jar. And in the bigger jar, I'm just going to put it on the top of the jar, and you can add like the kitchen utensils. And guys, this project was inspired by some canisters that I saw in Hobby Lobby, but I made them for like a fraction of the price, and I think this is my favorite product. I really love how they look and how they pop out, the combination between white, black, and the natural color of the wood. And I think they are perfect to add and decorate your kitchen, and it helps you to organize better your things, and I just love this idea. And yeah, remember to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook, and in my website DIYbyJazz.com. And I just hope that you like this video. If you do, you can give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment of what was your favorite project, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. I love you so much. Thank you for all the love and support, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.